Yeah, that was it, dangling. The dangle is over now. And did we miss anything? I had to go get a tape now. Missed it. It's got the gloves.
Sure stick mitts. Guaranteed to grab them now.
Yeah. I think we're in the mod section again. That's Don Curtis coming up. One more friggin' time. Barkerville. That-a-way, Donnie. Lovely. Oh, Don. How you doing, Don? Get out of the way, baby. Get out of the way, Don. Get out of the way. You got her straightened out anyhow, Donnie. You got her straightened out. You okay? Are you okay, Don? Oh, he might be a little hurt, boys. Might be a little tiny bit hurt on that one. He's good. Are you okay, Don, baby? He's okay again.
Oh, he's good. Slide her down.
Does he got to come up again, I wonder? A tiny bit of sunshine over there for us. Slide around the course. Oh, there it is, Mike Herman.